Hello and welcome. Chef Pennington here in Austin, Texas. Today we are going to be doing hard-boiled eggs in the Instapot. This is my new favorite way of doing it. It comes out perfect every time. If this is your first time visiting, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you know when we post new content. I've cooked hard-boiled eggs so many different ways. I even have a way of doing it without water in the oven. No kidding. And I'll post a link for y'all on the bottom of that and a 100-year-old trick on how to hard-boil eggs. But we're using the Instapot today. We're using the 5-5-5 method. Notice that the eggs are uniformly. I put them all not just thrown in there. We're using the wire rack, which is going to make it very easy to get them out once we're done. We want to have the vent on sealing. Very important. We're going to use high pressure. We're going to be on normal temperature, and you'll see high pressure right there. We're going for 5 minutes. If you wanted to do more than 12 eggs, we're going to increase the time to 6 minutes. So that's a really good tip right there. And it's going to take a few moments to pressurize. It's going to cook for 5 minutes, and then the L is going to show up, and that's going to be an additional 5 minutes on what's called natural release. So 10 minutes has elapsed, and we're going to go ahead and do a quick release and let all the extra pressure out. It takes about 30 seconds, and that pin's going to drop, and that's going to let you know it's safe to open the Instapot. Now, after these 10 minutes, we have got to get it directly into the ice bath. So we don't go 11 minutes or 12 minutes. We don't wait. We get it instantly over there. The wire rack is not too hot to hold. You can see my hands aren't burning. And we're going to shock it. And we're going to set a timer for 5 additional minutes. Okay? So after these 5 minutes are up, we're going to be able to peel some eggs. Check this out. So I go right around the equator, right around the middle part of it. And then I kind of twist my hands back and forth, kind of opposite directions. And look, I mean, honestly, that's like the easiest peeled egg ever. It's just coming off in whole pieces, and I absolutely love that. It truly is a great technique. Let's see how we did here. The texture of the yolk is incredible when you pressure cook it like this in the Instapot. You can see it comes out super easy. Such a cool, awesome ability to cook eggs. I'll have links below to our social media. We'd love to have you. There'll be a recipe card with more information about eggs, and y'all have the best. Take care.